Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we create a circle using tangent, tangent and tangent. That means how to create a circle using 3 points. So for that, you have to have at least 3 points in your Autocad diagram. Like here we have having 3 circles with 3 tangents. And here also we have 3 lines, first, second and third. To create it, just click on this circle flyout in this draw group, and the last option that you have is tangent, tangent, tangent. Just after clicking, this command will be activated. So here it's saying specify center point of the circle. So also it's saying specify the first point on circle. So I'm selecting this tangent first, again the second tangent, and then the third tangent. So this way you can create a circle using tangent, tangent and tangent. Similarly, in this figure you can create the same. Select the circle, tangent, tangent, radius, first point, second point and the third point. So this way you can create a circle using tangent, tangent, radius. Now the shortcut is press C, then write 3P, enter. Now the first point, but before that you have to write T, A, N, enter, first point. Then before taking second point, again type T, A, N, enter, second tangent, again type T, A, N, enter and take the third tangent. So this way you can create a circle using 3 tangent guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.